Hi guys, welcome to Do IT. In this video, we are going to see how to configure Telnet on a Cisco router. So let's get started. So first of all, I have already logged into the router using the console. So now I'm in user exec mode. I need to go to privilege mode first by using the command enable. Now I'm in user exec mode. So for configuring anything, for making any changes, you need to go to configure terminal. This is the command to go to global config mode. So here you can change like host name. If you want to change the router name, like I want to use R1. So this is the router name. Now I will give in IP address to that interface Ethernet 0 by 0. So interface Ethernet 0 by 0. I have entered into that interface, so that's why it is showing that IF. Now the command is IP address 10.10.10.100 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. No shutdown is because by default the ports are all the ports are in down state. So to up that port, you need to give no shutdown. So I'm exiting. So I have exited from interface. Now I need to configure the enable password. So enable password, I'm going to give Cisco at 123. Okay, enable password is Cisco at 123. Now I'll configure the telnet using the command line bty. So if you give question mark, it will give you the line numbers, how many lines you can connect at a time to that router. So here 0 to 4, total 5 connections it can uh, concurrent connections you can have to the router. So I have a single user right now, so I'm giving 0. So password for this telnet, I'm going to use Cisco just. For enable password, it is Cisco at 123, but for telnet access password, it is only Cisco. So login. This command is used uh, for login. Uh, if while you are trying to log in to this router, so it should ask for the password, right? So that is why we give login command. So now we enable telnet using transport input telnet. So now our telnet is configured. So exit from telnet configuration, and I have also given the interface IP address. So our configuration is done. Now let's try to log in from our Windows PC. So I need to change the IP address in this PC. The PC should be in the same subnet like router. Then only we can able to ping the router. So I'm giving 10 to 55 to 55 10.10.10.100 because my interface IP is 10.100. So okay, okay. Now it will identify automatically. See here, it will identify the network. See network 3. So let's close it and try to. First, let me ping first. Ping the gateway first. 10.10.10.100. So you can see I can ping the network. So now I try to connect to the Telnet server. 10.10.10.100 and Telnet. When you select Telnet, the port number will also be changed. For Telnet, the port number is 23. Open. See, it is asking for the password. What is the password we given? It is Cisco. See, I am already in a user exit mode. So if you go to privilege mode, we need to enter the command enable. So again it is asking for the password. Enable password we have given, which is Cisco at 123. So I have entered the privilege mode. So if I want to configure any further configuration from this PC, I can able to configure anything from this PC to that router. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.